Oh, I've seen this. I put this in an MA video the other day. Ew, I've seen this. It's so scary. Ugh. Ew. That's so funny. Ew. Yeah, go. Run over the trees. They'll be, your tires will maybe be upset, but it's okay. Yeah, so I did this in an MA video the other day, most amazing top 10, and if you guys don't watch that channel, go watch it. I'm also on there. Anyways, and yeah, these people were angry about something, and then they put the trees there so that the guy couldn't pass, and then they were throwing like rocks and stuff at him. It was pretty crazy, but he got away. Oh wait, that's scary. That like unlocked a fear I didn't know I had. Is being ambushed while just trying to take an exit. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Dang, that's crazy. That's, ooh, oh my god, all the sparks raining down. That's crazy. That's so scary. Whoa. I don't know, man. Explosions. I don't like them. I simply do not like them. Where was this and when was this? Does anyone know? Let me know. That's crazy. Ew, ew, I've seen this one. Ew. I think this is a prank. Maybe it wasn't a prank though. He's so scared. He's so scared. I would be too. Oh, I hate it. Whoever like is that creepy lady, whether she's really creepy or, you know, it's just a prank or not, nailed the walk. Nailed the creepy walk with the stick. I really believed it. That video like, ugh, gives me the heebie-jeebies. Ew. Ew, why you got your hands in your pockets, huh? Get them out of there. What was that sound? Ew. Ew, as he sped off, it was probably just like a car sound or something, but it sounded like the creepy guy like yelled at him or something. I didn't like that one. I didn't like that one, and that's the only appropriate response, is to just maneuver around and speed away, because what in the hell? I don't like it.
Село Отрошка оно называлось. А потом вот эти промышленные предприятия стали строить.
Oh my god! Did it fall into a hole? It did! It did! Was that a sinkhole? Oh my god. It is crazy that sometimes the world just goes, nope, we're not gonna be a road anymore. What the hell? That's so scary. At first I thought that the cement truck was tipping over, but nope, turns out it's just going down. Ah! Ew, ugh, there's something about like power lines that like, cause I know nothing about anything when it comes to things like that. So like a down power line, I would be like, do I need to be blocks away from this? Am I gonna get electrocuted by just standing near it? Like, that is scary. That is very scary. Ooh. And not to mention the entire pole tipping over as he was just walking there, you know? Definitely one of those near miss situations that really stresses you out. Some strong winds. Holy, that's scary. Oh my god. That scared the shit out of me. Okay, what happened? What was that got flung up? Oh my gosh, that's so scary. And that went like right through. That's crazy. Ooh, that was a fucking jump scare warning on that one. Jesus Christ. Hope everyone's okay. Oh my god, the Christians have entered the chat because I just said Jesus Christ. Sorry everyone. my God. What the hell is going on? I actually have no idea what just happened there. Some water just erupted from the ground. I was gonna call it the floor. Water just erupted from the ground. How does that happen? Oh my God, it's crazy. You're not expecting it. The ground just explodes. It's really weird. That's crazy. Ugh. Oh my God. It's like a thing you see in cartoons. Ooh, that's so scary. That was so close. Also, that big gush of water that came first, that was powerful enough to just like completely move that car, no problem. It's concerning. It's concerning. It's concerning. We should do like a video. Guys, let me know down below in the comments if you would enjoy watching a video on like natural disasters that were caught on camera, because I personally think that would be cool and fun to look at. So let me know what you think. Ooh, the fires. Man, these videos always give me the creeps. It's so scary. It's the scariest thing. Oh man. Oh man. Oh, the fires are so scary. They're so scary. There's like this one dash cam video of like, I think it might be a police officer or something who's like driving through, it's burning on both sides. You like can't see anywhere in front of you and it just looks like, the apocalypse. Like it's crazy. That's so scary. Ooh, I don't like fire. Oh my gosh. Oh my, ooh. What is doing that? Oh, that's so scary. Everything's just being blown away. Oh man, that's so scary. That's all I can say. That's my only reaction is I'm just frightened. I'm frightened. That's so, oh man, Mother Nature, she does not mess around. She does not mess around. We're simply at her will. You know what I mean? Guys, that's it. That's all the crazy things caught on dash cams. Let me know down below in the comments what you think. Let me know about the natural disasters thing. And let me know, do you want to see a part 2? I would be so down for a part 2 of this. I feel flabbergasted. I learned some new stuff today. The ground can just explode right in front of you. I've been your host today, Olivia Kozlowski, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye.